Hello everybody. Now I'm going to show you a small game that I made. It's not done yet, not even close to done, but I have sort of made some progress, so I want to show it to you. So we press run, and I'm going to show you how the game looks. So this is the game. It's not looking like very much. You can zoom in, you can zoom in, you can zoom out, and you can move the camera. There's not a lot more that it looks like it can do, but then you see this button here. If you press it, you get these two buttons. These are two different tools. This tool makes you able to set points to the screen, and you can also delete points. But now we're going to set points, and this creates a cable, an electric cable between 2 points like this. And if it's black, that means it's not powered. And this right here, that's an AND gate with 2 inputs, 1 output. So these are 2 buttons as well, or switches that are our inputs. So let's restart the game. So I will show you the challenge here. So the challenge is wait, stupid OBS. Alright, so the challenge is here. Let me first explain what the different components are. So here is an AND gate, and if both inputs are on, the output is on, otherwise the output is off. That's sort of the big deal there. This is a NOT gate, and if the output it outputs not the input. So if the input is on, it outputs off. Inputs on, outputs off. If inputs off, outputs on. Okay, and this is an OR gate. This is another AND gate. The OR gate has 2 inputs, and if either one of them are on, the output is on, otherwise it's 0. And these ones deliver an output to the cable that it connects to. Okay, so what the challenge is to put like a cable over here that's responds to the inputs like an XOR gate. So if either one of them are on, it should be on, but if both are on, or if they are different, it should be on, but if they are the same, it should be off. So this is off, this is on, this is off, this is on. So we should have an output line here, and you can try out the puzzle, pause and try it for yourself if you can, and write a diagram and try it for yourself if you know a little bit about this. It should be pretty easy. So this is what this game is going to be about as well. It's going to present you different puzzles like this one. This is probably going to be a puzzle in the game, and you're going to try to solve them. And you get stars for like how efficiently to solve them and stuff like that. Right now there is quite a lot of bugs, but you will not see them. They are only if you connect lines between. Yeah, it's kind of confusing, and I have to solve them. But anyways, let's. This is our output line. So if this line is on, that means the output is on, and we're going to connect it to the output of the AND gate. This is really fiddly. We can zoom in a little bit so that we can see better. Okay, and this AND gate, so we're going to create 2 dots here to be able to transfer the signal better. Not actually better, but it looks clearer. You can see it better. So we're going to take the input from this, and the input here is going to go from the AND gate. Then the second input from this AND gate is going to come from the OR gate. Now we're just going to connect the different buttons here. and there we go. So let's try this out. So if you press, now it's both are off, so this is off. You can also see that this is on, as it should be, so it is working. So this is a logical simulation as well. I couldn't find one, so I decided to make one of my own, and a game as well. So one is on, that's on, both is on, it turns off, that one is on, it's on. So this is a working XOR gate. So let me try to explain what's happening. So the OR gate is if either one is on, and we want the OR gate to be true all the time unless if the AND gate is true. So what is happening is if the OR gate is true, then it gets an output, but this one has to be false. So if this one is false, this turns into a signal which allows this one to control the output. But if this one is on, this signal is going to turn off, which is going to force the signal to be off. So that's quite a simple puzzle, but I think it's quite a fun one. And of course these ones are not actually the correct symbols, they are just circles and squares, because that's the most simple shape you can draw. And I'm using processing for this, processing 3.1.1 right now. It works very well. Yeah, and I'm kind of happy with this game. It's kind of cool, I think. Alright, that's enough for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.